Kits are super easy to get you started on projects, and this one is not like heavy duty floral design. This is simple and easy and adorable. We're gonna start off with a bunny base that comes in the kit, and she is really chunky. She's just loaded with angel vine and really gorgeously painted gold. So she's got this gold vibe, she's got these gold ears and polka dots, so much fun. And what we're gonna do on her is we're gonna add her little tail at the bottom on this gold tail pick that also coordinates and goes so well together with our door hangers. Now, this kit's available in teal or pink, and we're gonna make them just a little bit different, but this is the pink version of the kit. So we're gonna start off by taking the part that has the tail and just cutting that off and keeping that stem to about 2 or 3 inches, and you're just gonna need some wire cutters. It comes with a hanger on it up here at the top, so you don't have to do anything special to hang this on your door. You're gonna need a little bit of hot glue. So I've got my electric skillet with the hot glue off to the side. You could use a glue pot also, either way. But that's what I'm gonna go ahead and get some glue on my stem first. And we're gonna push her in right into the grapevine. Now I'm gonna have her tail kind of go off to the left over here. You can pick which way you want yours to go. And you push it into the angel vine, and it's tight, a little bit tight, pressure going in, and that tail's going to go in right there. And you kind of want that to shoot off to the side. And the nice thing is it's all wired, so it's really super easy to do that with. And you can pull these curls a little bit forward. I think that makes it so much fun. And you can just have so much fun letting that rock and roll. Now get up here into this pick and take that top section off, and we're going to use this a little bit lower. You're going to want to dip it in your glue, but I have some glue left over on here from where I just pushed that one in. So I'm just going to tuck a little of that in side by side. So you've created her little tail sticking off to the side. And instead of having a bow or something, we're going to keep it super simple, and we're going to put a beautiful butterfly right in here on the front. Now you can take and fluff out her wings a little. I manipulate them to give them a little motion. And I want her to kind of tuck in this way. So I'm going to trim this off, and once again like a 3 or 4 inch stem, and we want to put that in right beside where her tail is. So I'm going to just get a little bit of glue on here, and then we will pop that in, go in the opposite way. And I want these to kind of overlap, so this tucks in right there. Oh my goodness, so cute by her tail. Like that butterfly just landed on her tail. Isn't she precious? She's very simple. That quickly this is done. This would be a great kit to do with your grandkids or your kiddos. And you could get, if you have double doors, you could get 2 pink. Or if you wanted to do, like say you had little boys in the family and little girls in the family, or grown-ups, either way, you could get a pink kit and then a teal kit. And you can make your own. And I'll do a video using the teal one too, but I hope you can see how cute she is and adorable, and she's gonna pop right off your door. So if you're not wanting to work with all the flowers we normally are, this is a perfect kit for you. Just work with simple, beautiful products and make her easy peasy to hang on your door, all right? Text this kit to 832-734-5201. We'll send you the links to all our latest kits, and you can grab it and make one for yourself.